Hello everyone, welcome to NityaCloudtech. Hope all of you are doing good. In our last video, we have discussed about the Power BI components. In this video, we are going to discuss about the building blocks of Power BI. So this is also very important Power BI feature. Let's try to understand this. Whatever you do in Power BI, it can be broken down into following building blocks. A good understanding of these building blocks could help you understand concepts and will let you create detailed and complex reports. So let's try to understand this. So the basic building blocks of Power BI are the following: visualization. So first one is visualization, data sets, reports, dashboard. So these four are the basic building blocks. Let's talk one by one. So if I talk about visualization, so visualization basically it is a representation of data. You have to represent your data in the visual. It's called visualization. So you have extracted the data maybe from SQL Server, Excel, CSV. So you have that detailed label data, that tabular format label data. Now you have to represent your data in the visual. So that is called visualization. For example, a chart or graph can be used to represent data visually. Power BI gives you different visualization types. So Power BI have different visualization type, which keep getting updated with time as well. So it updated time to time. So following image so commonly used visualization. So basically, this is the map representation, card visualization, stacked area chart, tree map, pie chart. So let me show you same into the Power BI. So this is the Power BI desktop UI, and we are talking about this specific part, visualization. If you see here, so you can see as mentioned there are different visualization. So you can drag and drop any of the visualization as per your business need, and then show your key insights, show your data. Okay, now let's move into the slide. See, so like this way you will able to see, like this is the geographical map chart, this is the card, and this is the pie chart, and there are different charts. So you can basically you can use, there are others as well, you can also use custom charts. Okay, let's talk about another building block, so that is data set. So what exactly is data set? So data set is nothing. It is just a collection of data or information. So basically to create visualization, you should have some data. It can be a simple data set or combination of multiple different sources. It may be, directly coming from Excel, CSV, or it may be coming from the different heterogeneous data sources. Like, let's say one data source coming from Excel, another is CSV, and another is coming from the SQL server. So you can use that data into the visualization, and it can be filtered and combined to provide a different set altogether. For example, you can pull together data from many different sources, as I mentioned. And having said that, you may want to filter your data before you bring it into Power BI. Filtering lets you focus on the data that matters to you. So basically, when you load the data, so you get option. Either you want to load whole data, or you have one option to do transform. Transform basically we will learn more in a future video, but at a high level, you will clean your data as per your business need. You don't need to bring all that data or keep all that data in Power BI. Okay, if I move into Power BI desktop, if I uh okay, yeah. Basically here, this is the place. If you see this field, you will get all your data here. So that is data set. So basically data set is a reference of your source data. So from here, you will basically fetch the required columns, or you will create measures and drag here on the values field to create report in the report canvas. So visualization and then data set. Now talk about another building block of Power BI. Okay, let me move here. Mm. Okay, so this is data set looks like this. Now report. Third building block is report. So report basically a collection of visualization that appear together on one or more pages is a report in Power BI. It is a collection of items that are related to one another. It means in Power BI we have different pages option. So in one page you can create multiple visual and you can create multiple page for one report. So let's say you have total 12 visualization. You have to divide these visualization into three pages. So your 12 visualization is four on one page, four on another page, and four on another page. So this whole is your one report. And then you can create visualize, as I mentioned, you can create visualization on multiple different pages and arrange them in a way that suits your story best. You can also drill down one report to another. So let's say you have one report on summary level, let's say on year level or country level. Now you can drill down through the detail level, let's say city level, or if it is a year, then month level. Yeah. So if you see here, so this is the page one and page two. So like this, you can create report. So another is dashboard. Dashboard basically it is a single page interface. It is often called a canvas that uses visualization to tell a story because it is limited to one page. So your dashboard is always limited to one page. A well-designed dashboard contains only the most important elements of the story. So your dashboard contains only the most important elements of that story. The visualization you see on the dashboard are called tiles and are pinned to the dashboard from report. So in this dashboard, you will see in the Power BI service. So we will discuss more about this in the coming video.